where feeling grows. Been fucking with that growth like hell ain't cold. Been sifting through my secrets and spit them when the room gets full. Been speaking with my real kin and snipped a couple old friends loose. Been slipping off the charts like, baby, that's cool. This life is fucking perfect, and I've been dealing with my wounds. Straight cool and sweet. The world going fucking crazy, but I ain't going fucking crazy, 'cause I ain't playing stupid games. And I'm just cooling in my sweets. The world around me feeling so fucked up, 'cause everybody's feeling so fucked up. I can't help but feel amazing. I'm just cooling in my mind.
Remember all that stupid shit we used to do? Maybe it's just in hindsight that everything was beautiful. Kinda feels strange that we don't speak anymore, but when we do, it's like the shit's just changed. And I ain't playing that game.
And I'm just cooling in my sweets. The world going fucking crazy, but I ain't going fucking crazy, 'cause I ain't playing stupid games. And I'm just cooling in my sweets. The world around me feeling so fucked up, 'cause everybody's feeling so fucked up. And I can't help but feel amazing. I'm just cooling in my mind. Dealing with my devils on some 2020 king shit. Fucking with my pain and making homies with my mischief. Sifting through the secrets I've been keeping from my interest. Looking for the zip to make my motherfucking skin fit. Dealing with myself like who you think the devil is, kid. Swimming in my pain against my motherfucking mistress. Dream about my girl and I was sleeping kinda shit sick. Secrets I've been keeping from myself have started shifting. And I'm just cooling in my sleep.